what I have in front of me is 3 cubes. We call it the cubes because a buddy of mine invented this thing right here. That's that guy. It's a pyramid, but we call it the cube. It's a fitness game. I'm gonna show you all how to make it just in case you wanna know how to. I don't know why you wanna, but it's just a project idea. It takes like 5 minutes. Okay, to go over the cubes that I have existing, this doesn't really matter to the video. This is the first one we made. It has stuff like planks, pull-ups, curls, push-ups, and the black one we never use. It has bicycles, circular crunches, leg raises, hanging leg raises. And then this one is the calisthenics cube that we just recently invented. It has the crow pose, pike push-ups, hanging leg raises, and pistol squat switch. So just starting out with basic stuff that we can do already. But we don't need any of that except for one of them that looks nice, that we can trace to get the shape, which I'll show you the measurements when we get there. First, we need a hunk of cardboard. No. Oh. You'll also need some duct tape. What's going on upstairs? Anyways, you'll need a hot glue gun and a Sharpie and a blade to cut the cardboard. Each side is 8 inches. 8 inches this way, this way, this way. And that goes for all the angles too. I'm playing with fire there. I'm gonna take that same piece, trace it out, so then all the pieces are the same size. This is the part that you can do trace, because now you have the piece. Wait, hold up. 4. It takes 4 of them. Alright, now that we have all of these cut out, basically, they're in that formation, and you glue them up like so. Just pretend that one didn't fall. It's gonna look like that, but better. I'm gonna do the magic of editing. Now we got our beads laying down. Just gonna cover it in duct tape and cover that lovely hot glue job. Alright, it is covered. Next step, where did I put my Sharpie? Oh, I have to get it new. I couldn't find my Sharpie, so you know how to make this. And I don't really want to draw anything on that yet, just in case I want to do something in the future with it. So I'm going to show you our first one, for example. We would write curl on it, or plank, or those things I told you before. But then you're noticing these numbers up here. And then some of them have little numbers underneath there. So basically what you do is you write your activity in the middle. And then you write, we did 1 through 10. I mean 15. So that basically for some of these is 15 reps. So how you play it basically is you roll once, you look on the bottom, whatever's on the bottom is what you do. So I guess I have to do push-ups. I roll it again to check how many reps I have to do for those push-ups. And then that's when you check the number up top. So I have to do 10 push-ups. Another example. I have to do pull-ups. 10 again. I'm gonna just pretend I land on curl. Land on curl. I have to see how many reps I have to do. I have to do 1, and then that's times 2, so that'd be 2. But we don't have 2-pound weights, so you go up to whatever smallest weights you have. So that could be 5 pounds. Alright, let's do another example of curl. If I do that, 10 times 2, 20 pounds. Now that we have an actual weight, 20 pounds, how many reps am I going to do? 10 reps of the 20-pound weight for each arm. For example, that's how you play it. That's how you would write the stuff on it. If you're confused, you can comment. Oh, I was expecting that sooner. Hopefully you didn't fall asleep during this video. Okay, stay tuned for the next one.